Hello again. I got some packages in the mail for the Porsche. One was from Design 11 and the other one was from Renfix, which is the new lightsabers. And the model is the metal model. So I can secure the rear lights properly. I've already cheated a little bit and installed the first side. So you can see that you can kind of see the metal and the screw hole a little bit through the gap. While on the opposite side it sits deeper in. It sticks out a little bit more than I would have liked. You can kind of see it more, but it definitely is worth doing that instead of risking losing your entire rear light. Looks pretty much identical to how it was, except that it sits a little bit higher. But all in all, I'm happy about both the design and the fit of the product. The metal one is maybe unnecessary thick and strong and heavy. I weighed one earlier today and so it's 280 grams. Last time I did it was 320-ish, so around 300 grams. So it's definitely a sturdy little thing. I also got some screws, because the old screws were rusted, which I hate. When I tried to take them off, I used a screwdriver, and I actually managed to break off one of the tips here. So I do recommend using the Torx instead, so that you get enough pressure on them for them not to break. Thought I'll just show you the installation process too. Someone has already been fixing stuff here and being creative with trying to make it work with the Torx here. I think these have been over tightened too. That's part of the reason why they might have broken. Be sure not to over tighten them. Now they have a snug and secure fit. And we can test and see. Looks good. So now we have a perfect fit on both sides here. I also got new struts, gas struts for the front. Before, if I just let it go here, it would just fall down again and it would not rise up like this. So I ended up bunking my head quite a lot of times. So it is very nice that I can now just lift it a little bit up, and then it just goes up the rest of the way. The way you replace them is just to put the little screwdriver in here, then you take off this clip, same on the top and bottom, and replace them. Super easy. So, two very easy jobs that one makes the car a lot more easy to use, and two saves my rear headlights from falling off. I mean brake lights. Two small easy jobs. Alright, see you later.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.